Feel like a gamer brony. 13.
Yeah. Yeah. you know how
What a
it is.
swag lord beating Blue League.
Only 800 hours to go, dude.
Yeah. Good luck fighting Daigo and Chroma. Oh my god. Oh, fuck off. Fuck you. God, I hate you so much.
Do it! Yes! I'd rather just get it out of the fucking way.
My god. Yeah, you got this one.
Fuck!
At 30 seconds, do about 200 damage. Oh!
Gotcha!
If you blocked or counterattacked, I had you.
That's why I attacked.
Well, yeah, you had to pick one of the three, and you picked right. I'm just saying, I was the underdog there, so. No.
Oh. Blaze it. I wish that they didn't debuff me. Yes.
Wow, now you grab. Damn it. You're on to me.
Oh, with the reaction.
What? Oh, you blocked? You grabbed two?
No, I did an attack.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you win. You had me that game. You were all up in me that game.
I was.